Guys, welcome to my channel again. So for this, I can say, hi guys, welcome to my channel. Well, this video is a bit different from the previous ones, which are more on my gala-gala or travel vlogs. Well, since I'm a beginner in vlogging, so I saw my videos are shaky and I feel dizzy watching them. So for sure, you also feel the same. I'm sorry for that. So since I don't have budget yet to buy the latest gadget, mobile or camera, so I invest first to this new toy of mine, and I will do review about this toy, the PNY Mobee Gimbal. Yeah. Before I unboxing this Mobee Gimbal, is a stabilizer for smartphones, so at least it will not be shaky when I do some videos. So let's check what is written there. So it's written here 12 hours live and power delivery. There is face tracking and application iOS and Android. So I think we need to download the application. For the Apple phone, you can get it in the Apple Store, and Android you can check in the Play Store. And you can see also the specification and features of this item behind here. It's not really detailed, but I'm sure in every gadget there is always the manual user guide. So let's unbox it. Ta-da! So inside here you can see, oh, there is pouch. It's so nice because at least you don't need to buy a separate pouch. You can see this pouch special made for this stabilizer, and there is pocket inside that you can put all of the accessories as well. Not bad though. And this is the user guide, the manual one, so you can see again the specification and the features, how to on off, how to know the Bluetooth already connected or not. And let's see what they have here. This is the tripod, so you can make the stabilizer stand. Let's put it aside for a while. And then the charger cable. It's not that long, but it's alright as long as you can connect to make your battery full. And this is for, what do you call this, to hang or to, yeah, so it's easy for you to carry it. And this is the main item. Ta-da! Yeah. Well, this item is, hopefully it will really help. And for your information, it's a bit affordable price though. And we have this DSF just started, so guys, you need to check it out, special for you, the one just started vlogging, for the new beginner, at least you can get some gadget with the cheap price. In the main item, this is the stabilizer. You can see, you can check here the level of the battery, the Bluetooth indicator, and this is the operating mode indicator. And this one is for power on and off in the middle. You just need to press it. And this is for zoom in, zoom out. And this one is for joystick, up, down, left and right. And here you can see also for the socket for power. It's a micro USB power port. This is for charging. And behind you can see the shutter. This is the shutter button. You press once to tell the picture, press 2 times to bring the camera to its original position. And on top of that, it's the USB power out. So this is to charge your smartphone directly from gimbal, so it can be function as a power bank. And then this is the clamp. It's so nice, guys, because it's really soft. It's good for your mobile, so there will be no scratch. And then you can see also this one, the tilt. This is the tilt motor. It's rotate 330 degrees. This one, yeah. And the pan motor, this is allows this gimbal to rotate 330 degrees horizontal. Well, I think this is it. And I'm going to charge this one. So for the tripods, guys, this for the extend, it's just easy. You can just like a screw. Make it stand like that. Yeah. And with this, the features was also with the face detector, so it's easy for you to just keep it like that and move here and there, and it will follow you. So this one, the next step is go to Play Store, try to find PNY Mobee application. You just need to install it. Okay. Next. Thanks so much for watching. Please feel free to share your comments, like, subscribe, and click notification bell. See you next time with the actual video taken using this gadget. God bless.